Hey guys, so I'm going to show you an easy way that you can pay off your car loan faster using this car loan tracker. This is a Google Sheet and an Excel spreadsheet, and this is super easy to set up. And here we go. So what we're going to say is we're going to pretend that we have a car loan that is $40,000. We're going to put that in here at the top. On here, we're going to start on the very left, and we're going to start and put in our starting balance of $40,000. We're going to put in our interest rate here. So we're going to say it's 9%, and we're going to drag this all the way down to the bottom. Okay. Now it's going to calculate your interest for you, and we're going to just put in our payment. So say our payment is $718.88, and we're going to drag this down just to show you an example. And you are pretty much going to pay off your car in 60 months. Okay, that's 5 whole years of paying $718 a month. So think of what you could possibly do with an extra $718 a month. So say if we just come in and we did an additional payment of $25 a month, we're going to pay that off in an additional 3 months. So that's 57 months instead of 60. That's 3 months of $700. That's almost enough money to go on a little vacation. If we bump this up to $50 a month, you're going to pay that off even faster, and you're going to pay this thing off in 56 months. So just as an example, if we bump this up to an additional 100, and that'll be our last example, you can pay this off in 52 months. So that's an additional 8 months of, actually 53 months, but that's a lot faster than where we were at the beginning. So just think about what you could do with all that extra money. You could even start snowballing to pay off your debt. So that's just an example. So as a quick recap, when you purchase this sheet at savvyandthriving.com, you're going to come in and you're going to put in your car loan amount here. You're going to put your starting balance at the top. You're going to put in your first payment date. You're going to put in your interest rate, and then you're going to put your payment. And then it will calculate your balance for you. And then if you want to make an additional payment, you can. And then next month you'll put in your payment. You'll put in your interest rate. You'll put in your payment amount, and then whether or not you made an additional payment. So that will calculate for you. It'll tell you how much you've paid off total. It'll calculate how much interest you've paid total, and it'll tell you your starting balance. And then here it'll show you what your total debt is and how much is paid off. But it's really fun to just be thinking about how you could possibly make extra payments and pay it off, at least 3 to 8 months faster if you're making $20, $25 payments. If you're making extra $500 payments a month, if you're really getting excited, then you could really see this thing knocked out extremely fast. Let's see if we can just see how fast it would be paid off. Yeah, you would pay that off in only 25 months. That's amazing. That's amazing. So good luck to you. If you need this sheet, it's at savvyandthriving.com. I have tons of sheets that could help you with your budget, with your home, with your business, with your finances, lots of things. So I hope you guys have a great day.